We recognize once again Senator Amy Marcos.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Ginang Pangulo. At tunay na nakaka-offend ang mga sentimiento na nagkalat sa SOCMED na siyang nilaman ng videong ipinakita. Subalit nakaka-offend din kasi yung mga sinasabi ng ilang senador tungkol sa akin na sadyang sinungaling, na lahat daw na lumalabas sa bibig ko ay lahat all BS, outright lies, at yung iba pa may pahaging na kinakailangan daw ako ipasok sa mental institution. Pero isang tabi na natin yan. Susumiti ako sa hiling ng ating SP Alan na i-withdraw ang video kung yan ang gusto. Sana kapalit niyan, ipangako natin lahat sa ating taong bayan na walang term extension na mangyayari at na may eleksyon sa 2028. Yun lang po ang aking hinihiling.
We take note of that and we thank the good senator from Ilocos, Senator Marcos. Since the video has been withdrawn,
Yes,
the
therefore,
motion of Senator
I-
Subiri.
Yes, Madam President, if I may, because of that, and with the clarity that all of us here want elections sa 2028, hindi
Yes.
kami papayag na walang eleksyon. Sabi ko nga, magkaroon na talaga ng kaguluhan at we will defend it with our life, the right to suffrage. So with that, Madam Chair, I withdraw also my motion to as it's already been requested by the sponsors of to withdraw the video.
Thank you, Senator Migsubiri. Just for the record, it was under your leadership and I was your pro tempore when we resisted the People's Initiative in early of 2024. Yes, so we take note also of all the messages of support in relation to not having a constitutional or constituent assembly leading to a no election scenario. Magkasama tayo noon na nagtanggol sa ating institusyon para wag matuloy ang People's Initiative at ang iyong distrito at ang aking distrito rin sa Antique ang iilan lamang na hindi pumayag sa PI. Let that be on record. Salamat din kay Senator Marcos. Valenzuela din kay Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Thank you. Session is resumed.
Ready to resume, Madam President. Madam President, may we proceed with the reference of business?
Please proceed.
Bills on first reading. Senate Bill number 2139 titled, An Act Strengthening the Cybercrime Prevention Measures, amending for the purpose Republic Act number 10175, otherwise known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, introduced by Senator Aquino.
Referred to the Committees on Science and Technology, Justice and Human Rights.
Number 2140, an act establishing a regular campus of the Cebu Technological University, CTU, in the municipality of Cordova, province of Cebu, and appropriating funds therefore, by Senator Aquino.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Number 2141, an act converting the Dumanhub Extension Campus of Cebu Technological University, CTU, in the municipality of Dumanhub, province of Cebu, into a regular campus of CTU and appropriating funds therefore, by Senator Aquino.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Number 2142, an act converting the Hinatilan Extension Campus of the Cebu Technological University, CTU, in the municipality of Hinatilan, province of Cebu, into a regular campus of CTU and appropriating funds therefore, by Senator Aquino.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Number 2143, an act converting the Malabuyok Extension Campus of Cebu Technological University, CTU, in the municipality of Malabuyok, province of Cebu, into a regular campus of the CTU and appropriating funds therefore,